Welcome to my channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today video, can we use Kung Fu Wushu folding technique for stunt work? Or one way over the other, can we use the stunt folding technique in Wushu Kung Fu competition? Let's find out. We can see many folding technique in Wushu Kung Fu competition, like a 对联, drunken style, monkey style, especially ditangquan. So ditangquan is a folding technique form. Why people folding have no reason? No. The folding technique in ditangquan is one kind of technique to protect you when you're folding without injury, to prevent injury. So basically, this is teach you how to fall and fall correctly. In stunt work, there also have many falling technique, like a bullet fall, stairs rolling fall, from high to low fall, and falling from intent fighting, car hit fall. Some falling just insane, from a very high building falling to the ground, above 40 or 70 feet. So the Kung Fu Wushu falling technique and the stunt falling technique, many of the technique, they are the same, but also different. But if you look carefully, actually there have basically three kind of fall for both Kung Fu or stunts. The front fall, back fall, and the side fall. And both falling technique between Wushu and stunts are have the same goal, no concussion, to protect your head. If you mess up your head, and the game over. In Wushu competition, you can see those falling technique from turning, rotation, flip, and falling from high to low from the air and falling to the ground. No protection at all. It's a pure technique. The front fall, falling by both hands and flat on the floor, and you don't want to stick out your elbow and to broken. The same thing for the stunt fall. The stuntman does their work looks much dangerous, but they have very good protection, without the pad on their elbow, their knee, and even their body. But this is not allowed in Wushu competition. And also, when you do a film as stuntman, a lot high falls, they have the wire to protect you from high to low. Some falling without the wire, but they have airbag under. And sometimes they shoot the film in the green screen, which is a very safe environment with your falling. So the side fall in Wushu training or competition, so you're falling completely by the side way. So to avoid falling any part of your back, to protect your backbone. When a stuntman said side fall, means almost like a front fall, but they're falling by their right shoulder and rolling to their back. The technique is never falling to your lower back under the tailbone. Under the back fall, almost favored by audience because it looks so intense and dangerous. The back fall technique in Wushu competition have two ways of falling. First one, we call double kick fall. So you jump in the air, you bend your both knees, and then you make a double kick to make your body completely flat in the air, and you're falling flat. So your hand does very important work. So once you're falling, your both hand actually landing first. Of course, it's not the fingers or your hand. You got to use your both arm to hit the ground to reduce the impact. Looks really dangerous, actually pretty safe if you get a technique. For the stunt falling technique, exactly like a Wushu falling technique, they are both are same. Are they transferable for each other? Use the Wushu falling technique to stunt work. The stunt falling technique used to Wushu competition. Of course, yes. Like many action Kung Fu stars, Jet Li, Jackie Chan, Jack Wu Jing, even Bruce Lee, Danny Yan, they all have background of Wushu or Kung Fu training. Of course, they use Wushu falling technique into their stunt work, the film work. And the same thing, you can use the stunt falling technique to your Wushu competition. As I said, basically the three things, front fall, side fall, and back fall. But maybe something you never use it for your Wushu competition, like a stair falling. Because we don't have stairs in Wushu competition. Everything is flat. And another thing, never try is from 70 feet high and falling to the ground. Of course, they have protection, they have wire, but for wushu competition, you don't have. If you try, you die. Thank you for watching the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial. The next part of our video, we're gonna teach you a ditangquan combo. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss out the next video. Leave your comment and likes. Let's go. The ditangquan. What is ditangquan? Ditangquan is doing all the tricks in the air and falling to the ground, like a jumping kicks or flips and falling flat to the ground. You may questioning why we torture ourselves and jumping in the air and falling to the ground. It hurts and painful. Actually not. Ditangquan is one kind of form to help you fall correctly and to protect you from injuries from falling. Ditangquan technique used by a lot of stunt fight, also used by 对练, drunken style, monkey kung fu style. Many of kung fu forms use ditangquan technique for falling to protect them from injuries. Today's lesson, we're gonna teach you some basics of falling with the right technique. So take time, follow me step by step. To open your legs big enough, and you go squats. And you both hands on the floor, not go too far. Because you got a distance, hard to roll. Both hands close to your feet. And your head down. You say, I set these things on the floor. You can set anything as for your target. So your eye, very important to look the target and chin down. And you just say again. Make steps open, both hands close your toes, look target, and push your heel up, and push your hand after the roll. Very important, you both hands to hold your both knees. You roll like a ball, so that's easier to roll. Let's follow me step by step. Front row, jumping front kick, punch right. Let's go. Six. Two. Three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. The quick note for the first part of ditangquan. We will roll after, very important to make both feet line up straight. So this is the best position you can jump straight and to kick and punch. Very important. One, two, three, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Quick note for the side fold. Both arms you open and go to your left side, and you start cross, right feet on front of the left, and both hands to swing to the other side and go low as possible. The impact will lesser. Once you stay this position, both hands hit the floor hard you can fall flat and safe. Go. And straight your right knee and behind of your leg. Toe point. This is like a break. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha. 1, right leg, 2, left leg, bend your knee, land, both hands, push, get up and pass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Quick note for a front fold. The first move together and both hands, high snap, turn over, and hit the floor hard you can and make a flat safely. Tail up, quick push back, your body lean 45 this way, so your body position to the ground only 45 degree, much less impact than straight, boom, folding 90 degree. So that's the trick, easier, safe. Lean back, go! Both hands, quick, push the floor. Like you push up. Once you push, quick rotate. And both hands hit the floor, flat and strong. To make your body landing flat. With safety. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And stand up, feet together. Elbow. Look left side, turn over, heel up, lean back, forward. And both hands, push on the floor, and quick. 1, 2, 3, push. Thank you for watching, my friend. I believe that's all for today. Before we end, I want to share 2 things, just share my knowledge and experience. And I hope that can help you for Wushu Kung Fu training, but also in your life. The first thing, instead to manage your time and manage your energy. So I realized this for many years of Kung Fu training and manage my life for work, for family time. So once you manage your time, you will make perfect schedule. So you wake up 8, if you do your computer work from 8 to 9. From 9 to 10, you do a gym training. And 10 to 11 for lunch, for example, you have a whole day perfect plan. But if you don't have good energy, if you cannot be focused, actually you're wasting your time. You spend your whole day long, 8 hours, 10 hours to do your perfect plan, but your mind just not there. Your body just don't want to move. Then what you're gonna do? So it's not effective, just manage your time. The best way for me is manage your energy. For example, if you can shorten this 10 hour or 8 hours work, become 5 hour or 4 hour even. Why not? And then you can do the same thing and more effective. That means you need to manage your energy. So sleep good and eat good. So wake up whatever you feel you want to wake up. The schedule allowed you to. Once you feel happy, you feel so good energy, and then you do your things with 100% of focus. And to quick you can, and to make more effective and save your time. And don't forget to take a nap or do some meditation. Just spend your half an hour or 40 minutes to sitting there and relax, to clean your mind, clean your body. Enjoy the nature just like this. That will help you to recover quick and have a full energy back to next day work. The other thing I want to share is never let your passion die. To make a small goal each day, to complete your goal each day, and to have that good feeling come back to you. And you deserve it. You have confidence, and then you will love what you do. If you love what you do, you don't feel you work a day. Every day is fun, is happy. All right, my friend, to stay healthy and happy. I see you in next video. I love you all, and bye-bye.